Today's 5-minute circuit is all about core stability. We have some pretty fun movable exercises. We'll be down on the floor primarily. Feel free, you'll need something to sit on, be it a folded blanket, a towel, or even your bed. Let's get started. I'm going to start out with a plank walkout with an optional push-up. Feel free to drop to the knees during that push-up or mid it all together. Let's get the timer started. We'll just need enough space in front of you. Feet are parallel. Here we go. Hinge forward. Walk yourself out. Now I can either stay here or come into a push-up and then back up again. Walk it back with control. Roll it up. Core is strong. And then back down again. Elbows wide. Feel free to drop to the knees. Push up. And then walk it back. Bring it up. Back down with control. Try not to sag the head or belly. Push up. This is functional movement at its finest. That walk out and walk in is just as important. If you're doing the push-up, if you're doing the plank, add that little pause. All right, let's get down to the floor. Next one is a Russian twist. Feel free to sit on something if you need a little bit extra support. You can do this with or without a weight, totally up to you. I'm going to use a weight. Staying at the belly, shoulders down and back, 45 degrees. And we're going to turn side to side. So you can keep the heels down. I can lift a heel when I'm twisting, or I can hover. Now, if you're not using the weight, just bring the arms side to side. I like to think of just slightly pressing my hip up towards the weight as I twist. Squeezing the belly, try not to round the back. Stay with me. 10 counts. Good job. 2 and 1. Oh, all right. Next exercise, reverse crunch with a leg shootout. Just gonna open this guy up. Laying down. So either one, I can just do the reverse crunch, or I'm going to do the reverse crunch with a leg shootout. So now the lower I shoot the legs out, the more I have to be confident I can keep the back from arcing off the floor and my belly from doming. So it's okay to shoot the legs out to 45 degrees. Lower is not better. Drives me crazy all the years that I've taught is people think the advanced movement is going to give them the best workout, and that is not the case. It's, can I control the movement? Can I use the right body parts in order to perform the exercise? And if you get to do that, if your body says yes and you pass go, then you can advance. If not, you're going to stay where you are and work hard. Whew. All right, good job. Next one is a forearm plank. You have an option here to just hold forearm plank, or you can add in this little extra exercise. We're going to go elbow to elbow with the forearms. Belly is down, or sorry, pelvis is down. Push away from the floor. I can be on my knees. Otherwise, my front hip bones are really pushing up and into my belly, and we're going to rock front to back. So I'm pushing through the forearms as I rock front to back. This is not a hinge at the hips. This is a forward and back motion, like you are underneath a table and the table's hot and you don't want to push your belly or booty up towards that hot table. If you're on the knees, you can still add that little bit of rocking. Come as far forward or back as you can. Keep the neck in neutral. Here we go. Oh my goodness. Oh, I feel that one. Okay, V-sits with a bicep curl. You can do this with or without the weights. Totally up to you. I have 10s. You can use 5s. You can use soup cans. It does not matter, my friends. 45 degrees. Keep the belly strong. And we're going to bicep curl. We're not rounding towards the weight. If I want to, I could pick up one foot and immediately you're going to notice your core muscles go, oh, or I can pick up both feet. Now, as you're bicep curling, I'm thinking about the muscles underneath my belly button smiling, like hip bone to hip bone, they're smiling. So I'm keeping that lower pelvic core engaged. It's not just navel to spine, you guys. And watch some of my core videos explaining that to help you get better core integration. Stay with me. All right, whew. Great work, great job, and a great workout. I'll see you next time.